700 rupees for this. Yeah, that's all.
Hey guys, welcome back. It's 6 o'clock in the morning and I'm about to check out of Hotel Yatri Niwas. I arrived here yesterday at around 8:30 pm and unfortunately my experience has been far from pleasant staying here. The hotel room was dirty and the bed was so uncomfortable and itchy that I had to put my sleeping bag over it just to sleep properly. Anyway, today is my fourth day on the way to Ladakh, but right now I am in Srinagar. And if you have not seen my last vlog, you might be in for a little surprise once I walk out of this hotel. Now coming back to my review of the hotel, I definitely would not recommend it as the price they charge does not match the quality of the stay at all. Be sure to check out my last vlog to get a proper look of the room. And yes, this is Lal Chowk we are at. The only good thing the hotel has to offer is its location. It's really quiet and empty right now, so let's get to the center and have a proper 360-degree view. Now this might be out of context, but whenever I travel to a faraway new place, I keep in mind to buy a local newspaper, usually one in English and one in the local language, as a souvenir. And luckily I spotted a vendor right here itself. So let's get to him, but before that let's take a closer look at the clock tower, shall we? I see newspaper as one of the most meaningful souvenir one can have. Not only does it remind you of the date you traveled, but also captures the events that were happening that time. So whenever you open it later in your life, it brings back those memories.
ये कितने का है? 5 रुपये। और ये वाला? ये भी 5।
आप कहाँ से आए सर?
मैं मध्य प्रदेश।
अच्छा,
इंदौर।
इंदौर। कब आए?
मैं कल आया और पूरा 12 तक घूम के आया ट्रेन से, बनिहाल से। चलो ठीक है, बाय। सुबह के 6 बज गए भाई।
Alright, now let's discuss today's plan. Last night before I slept, I planned to leave for Leh Ladakh today itself, ASAP. But I also thought of visiting Dal Lake one more time, as it was a little dark yesterday when I got there. And once I'll be done with that, I'll search for the bus station where I hope I'll get the bus for Leh. If that doesn't work out, I might also consider going to Gulmarg, though I'm not entirely sure how to get there, but I'll figure it out when I'll cross that bridge. Right now I'm in Pratap Park, which is very close to Lal Chowk and comes on the way to Dal Lake. Inside the park you will find Balidan Stambh. I'm a bit surprised to learn that it was inaugurated just yesterday on Independence Day, and this is how it looks like from up close. Alright, now let's keep moving and get to Dal Lake quickly. This area looks like a taxi stand to me. I mean, there are so many taxis here. I think you can get taxi to go to any part of Kashmir. I walked till Dal Gate and thought of taking an auto to gate number 15, as I had already covered till gate number 8 yesterday. Plus, it will save some time. And with this, I'll be ending the vlog here itself, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.